In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set recurring investment in trading 212. A recurring investment simply means putting money to work automatically on a schedule, weekly, monthly, or whatever fits your plan. Inside Trading 212, this is done through pies combined with Autoinvest, and that pairing is what makes hands-off investing possible on the platform. First, you need to create a pie. You can't set a recurring investment directly on a single stock here. The pie is required. From the Portfolio section, go to Pies and select Create Pie. Search for and add the stocks or ETFs you want to include, then assign each one a target percentage, say 50% for one company and 50% for another. Make sure your allocations add up to 100%. Think of the pie as your blueprint. It tells the app exactly how to split each deposit across your chosen investments, so you can automate multiple assets at once. Even if you only want one holding, you can still use a pie with a single asset set to 100%. Before moving on, glance at the preview so you understand how future deposits will be divided. Next, enable Autoinvest for that pie. After you finish creating it, turn on Autoinvest and choose the amount you want to contribute, for example, $50. Pick how often you want the app to invest, weekly, monthly, or another interval. Select your funding method and confirm. It helps to align the schedule with your payday so contributions feel seamless. Once this is set, Autoinvest will follow your timetable and buy according to the targets you defined in the pie, using fractional shares when needed to stay close to your percentages. Here's a quick example. Suppose your pie holds two positions at 50% each, and you set Autoinvest to $100 per month. Every month, the system will direct $50 to the first position and $50 to the second, automatically executing without you having to place manual orders. A few important things to keep in mind. You can pause, edit, or stop Autoinvest anytime if your plans change. If there isn't enough money available when the scheduled date arrives, the investment won't go through. Very small deposits may wait until a minimum amount is reached before executing, so don't be surprised if a tiny contribution queues. And over time, Autoinvest helps keep your holdings aligned with the percentages you set by allocating new money to whatever is lagging, so your portfolio stays on track. That's it. Create your pie, turn on Autoinvest, set the amount and frequency, and let the schedule do the work.